Incap's factory in Slovakia, based in Námestovo, provides a competitive cost volume manufacturing option for customers in addition to featuring a dedicated hall for automotive business. We provide comprehensive services in manufacturing of PCB assemblies with possibility for box build integration. PCB assembly is our core competence. We're equipped with the latest SMT and PTH technology machinery to meet the increasing demands and technology trends of our current and future customers. We focus on high-mix, low to medium volume production and provide the best value and benefits to our customers in industrial electronics. We provide full system integration to meet the box build assembly needs of original equipment manufacturers. Our team consists of dedicated professionals with comprehensive skills in system assembly and box build services. We contribute to improved product design by early involvement in the design process. We further help improving the manufacturability through design for manufacturing to reduce the number of issues met during mass manufacturing and improve overall production costs. Incap offers cable and wire harness assemblies and delivers fast turnaround, full production run, and competitive cost manufacturing services in dedicated cabling facilities by utilizing fully trained dedicated cabling staff, covering a wide range of sectors, including industrial, instrumentation, audio, medical, green energy, and defense applications. We offer final configuration and fulfillment services to support our customers in full scope of supply chain for their products. By this service, we could support our customers in focus to product development and next effective application on the markets. Incap contributes to sustainable development by improving the efficiency of its production and by considering all environmental impacts of its operations and striving to minimize them. Social responsibility is at the heart of Incap's corporate culture and strategy. Our employees are our most important asset, and by investing in and developing them, we ensure our competitiveness now and in the future. Incap's economic responsibility is based on solid growth ambitions and balanced financial performance. We fully comply with all applicable national and international laws and regulations and act in accordance with the ethical business principles we've declared. Incap, your sourcing solution in design and manufacturing services.